What's up guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video where we are going to be comparing the Jungle Scout Chrome extension versus the Helium 10 X-Ray Chrome extension. So if you guys are unfamiliar with these Chrome extensions and what they do, it's basically a tool that is going to help you guys find a viable and profitable product to sell on Amazon FBA. So if you guys are new to Amazon, or you guys are just starting, the first thing that you guys need to know is product research is the key to success. If you guys can't find a good product, there's no possible way you're going to be successful. So these tools are going to basically help you decide whether product is in demand, whether there's low competition, what's the average reviews, what's the sales like, and I'm just going to kind of show you both tools, the features on it, what are the costs on the tools, and what are the differences between them both. And then I'm going to give you guys my opinion and show you which one that I use and basically show you how to use them as well. So let's dive into my screen where we're going to do a little screen sharing where we're going to basically learn about the pricings of the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and then also the Helium 10 Chrome extension as well. So right here we have the Helium 10 Chrome extension. And as you guys can see, there's plan details and there's a lot of different features, but what we're going to be talking about today is the X-Ray feature. So that is the Chrome extension. And as you guys can see, there's a free plan, it's $0, so you guys get a certain amount of uses, and for the X-Ray Chrome extension, you get up to 1,000 requests, which I will explain a little bit more further on into the video. But if you guys want this free plan, if you guys want to test it out, if you guys want to basically test before you buy and get the subscription, go down in the link below and click the link to get free access to the 1,000 uses of the X-Ray on the Helium 10. Anyway, so after that basically free trial, if you like it, it's going to be $17 a month. So the cool part about that is a lot of times you're going to find a product within the first month, then you can cancel the subscription and you don't need that subscription unless you're going to find another product. So say you find a product, you cancel it, and then 6 months later you can always get the subscription again and pay the $17. So that is one way to look about the X-Ray on Helium 10 is it's a subscription based where you're going to be paying every month, or 1 month when you're doing product research, and then 6 months later or 3 months later, then you'll need to get it again. So that's the pricing with Helium 10. So now let's go over to the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, where it's going to be a one-time fee. So right here you have the Pro, and then you have the Lite version. So if you're going to get the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, I would highly recommend just to get the $197 the Pro package, which is going to be $197, and the reason being is it's going to give you a little bit more, obviously because it's going to cost more, it's going to give you a little bit more features. And the main thing is the FBA fee calculator and the opportunity score. So those things I love and I use them personally on my computer, and so that's what I would recommend on this. So the advantage of Jungle Scout, I guess it could be an advantage or disadvantage, is it's a one-time fee. So it's a one-time upfront cost of $200 and you have it for life. So if you guys are in Amazon and you are wanting to do it for the long haul and you're looking to find new products every single day, every single month, day in and day out, then the Jungle Scout Chrome extension is going to save you guys money in the long run, because with Helium 10 or the other services similar, you're going to be paying a monthly subscription every single month, $20, $20, $20, and before you know it, you're going to be $1,000 you have paid to Helium 10 to have their tool when you could have paid a one-time fee of $197. So does that make sense? I'm trying to kind of basically break down them both, and now that we kind of understand the pricing, let's dive into the features and the differences with the features. So for this example, we're going to be using the collapsible straw. If you guys haven't seen that video, I show you basically how I found this product. It's a super awesome product and it still has potential, but I'm just going to be using the Chrome extension, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and then the X-Ray extension to basically compare the numbers and show you guys the different features. So to start things out, let's do the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. And what you do is it's an extension that you get on your Chrome browser. You download it, and it's going to be right up here in the top right hand corner. And when you're on Amazon, you can basically search for something, and then you can basically search, and it pulls up all these different numbers. And these numbers are really important to you because then it helps you guys verify whether or not the product is in demand, which is one of the most important things. It helps you guys decide your competition, and it shows the average reviews, which is important, the average price, how many sales are they selling each month, and basically what your competition is doing, so then you can look at it and make yours better or make yours different. So right here, it's going to show the opportunity score, which is only available in the Pro. So if you guys pay the $197, you'll get the opportunity score, which shows high demand with low competition. And one thing is, if you get the light version, you can absolutely basically calculate the numbers yourself and decide whether or not it's in demand or if there's low or high competition. It just takes more time. So it's just a convenient factor of being able to look at it and say, okay, it's in demand, it's low competition, so this is a good product. But there's more to look at. You can't just look at high demand, low competition. You want to look at the average price, what's the average reviews, and basically what is your competition looking like. So that's why the Chrome extension, it shows the average reviews, average price, the sales rank, average monthly sales, and it basically just breaks down all the numbers. So you can see this guy has 4 reviews and he's doing $4,600 in revenue each month. So you can kind of hover over it and it shows what the product is. It also says SP, which is it's a sponsored product. So that's something that you are going to want to look at as well. You'll want to go through and make sure that all of these are actually related to the product that you're looking, because a lot of times you'll be like, for example, big reusable silicone straw. That's not a collapsible straw, so you can actually go over here and hit the X button and get that out. And so it kind of basically adjusts it and makes it even more exact. So now you guys kind of understand how the Jungle Scout Chrome extension works. Let's go over to the Helium 10 extension and Xray Amazon product. So it's going to be loading, and as you guys can see, it's something very similar. It's almost the same exact layout, but this one, it doesn't have the opportunity score showing you high demand, low competition. And like I said, you can absolutely go through, plug in the numbers, and basically do the math and decide whether or not it's in demand or not. So that's not a make or break necessarily, but it is convenient to have, and that is one thing that Jungle Scout does have on the Xray. So we're just going to kind of go through, and it's the same exact thing, and I'm actually going to talk about the biggest difference, and then I will basically go to a comparison sheet where I have both of them screenshotted. But the biggest basically difference between the Xray and Jungle Scout is this column right here, so the sales. So you can actually click on it. Let's click on this one, so $99,000 in revenue. We're going to click on it, and it shows a huge decline since the July 12th. So it kind of shows you that it was really trending, and then it's slowly gone downhill, and it's going down, and maybe it's because more people are coming to market with the same product, and it's taking a dent in his sales. Even though he's selling $99,000, it kind of shows you that, which is kind of cool, and it also shows their all-time, when they started selling. Is it a recent seller? It basically just gives you some more information that you need to then decide whether or not this is a good product for you to start selling. So let's go back and go over here to where I have kind of the comparison sheet. And as you guys can see, it's something very, very similar. So I actually did this yesterday where I took a little screenshot of both of them on the same product, and it was on the collapsible straw. So this was yesterday's number, and we're going to basically compare them and see how accurate they are or how close they are to each other. So right here we have average reviews is 68, average reviews is 69, average price is $15.64, Average price is $15.73. So right there, they are pretty similar so far, and that's a good sign because that means either they're pulling fake numbers or they're getting them from the actual source. So that makes me feel good that these numbers are somewhat correct because they're very similar to each other. Now let's compare prices. So we got the Rucasio, I think that's how you pronounce it, is doing, this one is selling for $23.99 and it's doing just under $15,000 in revenue. So let's find the Rucasio up here, right here, and it has the 0 reviews and it's doing $13,283 in revenue. So that's a little bit lower than what Jungle Scout said, but it's fairly accurate because, I mean, it's within $1,000. So let's look at one more. We have the Yearmax, which is being sold for $14.99, and the revenue is just under $10,000. So let's come over here to the Yearmax, $14.99, and it's just under $10,000. So the numbers are very similar. They aren't super off, and they're matching. So that's a good sign, and that kind of shows you that both of them are viable. They're actually getting good information. And another thing that you guys can look at is the differences. So right here, you look at the top, like I said, the opportunity score. Xray does not have that. Average reviews, Xray has it, so does Jungle Scout. Average price, they both have it. Average BSR, so that's best sellers rank, and that's basically the same thing as average sales rank for the Jungle Scout. So that's within 1,000 as well, so 35,000. And then right here it's 34,000. You have average revenue, which the Jungle Scout does not have, but you can find it with the average monthly sales, and if you wanted, you could go add up all the numbers, and then total revenue as well. Jungle Scout doesn't have that, but if you really wanted to, you could go through and add up all these numbers and find out what is the total revenue. So those are basically some of the differences. And then like I said with the Xray, this sales column where you can actually click on it, basically see the statistics. When did they start selling? What are they selling? When is it trending? When's a hot time to sell in the year? And so that's something that I really like with Xray, is that little sales feature. So to talk a little bit about the free version of the Xray, you guys can see right here, this was yesterday. It says, actually let's go to back here, and I'm going to hit the Xray, and I'm going to see how it says uses used 46 out of 1,000. So that means I've used it 46 times, and so that leaves me with the rest of the 954. So that basically what that means is you have 1,000 uses of searching the different ASINs. So there's that many here, and I've searched it that many times, and that's how many basically uses you get. And so that's what you're going to get with the free version. You're going to get up to 1,000, and then once you pay the $17 a month, you're going to have 5,000 every single day. So basically unlimited. So that's another thing that might be a little confusing when it says 1,000 requests, which all that means is each time you hit this button up here in the right hand corner, you hit it and then it searches the ASINs. Each ASIN is one request. So if the page has 20 different products, 20 different ASINs on it, that is 20 requests. So it will add up to be 1,000, and then once you have the 1,000 used up, then you will have to pay the $17 a month. So that's the kind of the cool part about this, is you can basically take advantage of Helium 10 and use the free plan and basically be able to find a product without having to pay for the Chrome extension. So I really like that about Helium 10, and obviously they're confident in their product because they're offering it for free, and they know if you like it, you guys are going to buy the monthly subscription. So those are some things to look at, is what is the pricing, what's best for me? Am I in Amazon for the long run? Do I want the opportunity score and to pay the full $200 with Jungle Scout? What do I want for my Amazon business personally? So that's what I want you guys to basically now break down and see what's best for you and make a decision for your business and for your situation, because everyone's situation is different. Now to answer what I'm currently using, I currently use Jungle Scout Chrome extension because I paid for the $200 Pro version and I have it for life, but the Helium 10 just recently came out and I am using the free version. But what I'm doing is I use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and then if I find a good profitable product that I'm excited about, I'm going to use the Helium 10 Xray to then get the different numbers and that sales portion that the Jungle Scout doesn't have. So I'm basically using them both to help me find the best product possible, because obviously that's the whole purpose of Amazon. If you can find a profitable product, you're going to make a lot of money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I compared the Jungle Scout Chrome extension to the Helium 10 Xray Chrome extension, and I hope that I gave you guys enough information to now make the best educated decision for your business and your situation. Because let me tell you, this is the most important and crucial step to building a successful Amazon business, and that is to find a profitable product that's in demand, that's low competition, that is actually a viable, good product, okay? So it's going to make your life a lot easier, and that is why I'm basically promoting it to you, because I personally use them, and I'm not going to give you guys something that I don't use. So if you guys like this video and if you want more information about the tools, let me know. I would love to help you guys out. The links are down in the description below as well if you want the free basically month for the Helium 10 Xray version. And if you guys want more information about Helium 10, let me know, because I really like what they're doing and basically what they're up to, because they have a lot of cool different features and techniques, not techniques, but features on their platform. So let me know down in the comments down below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here. Go down and subscribe. It would help me out a ton, and I really appreciate all the love and support. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.